Line graphs are a type of graph used to summarize relations between two quantitative continuous variables. Line graphs are very similar to bar graphs, but have several advantages over bar graphs when it comes to showing data. One primary advantage is that a line graph is better than a bar graph at conveying changes over time. In this example, we will transform a bar graph into a line graph. Here we have an example of a bar graph of James's disposable income over the course of one work week. To start, draw points at the center of the top of each bar. Next, draw line segments to connect the points. Finally, remove the bars to complete the line graph. It is important to use a line graph only in appropriate situations. If both variables are quantitative, then a line graph is appropriate. Otherwise, a different type of chart should be used to display the data. Here is an inappropriate line graph. The variable on the x-axis is categorical. There is no natural order to the categories, so it is not appropriate to use a line graph. A line graph can be used to convey relationships for several different groups. We can expand the line graph of James's disposable income to include the disposable income of others. Here we have included data on the disposable incomes of 3 others. Tina's is represented by a red line with points represented by squares. Frank's is represented by a green line with points represented by triangles. Abby's is represented by a purple line with points represented by X's.